Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0563, indicating an unexpected voltage in the Powertrain Control Module (PCM) power source circuit, is vital for diagnosing issues in a 2023 Plus Honda Accord. This error arises when the PCM detects that it remains active for an unintended duration after the engine is turned off. This issue can lead to significant operational problems, including battery drain and malfunctioning electronic systems. It's crucial to address this error promptly, as it can affect the overall performance of the vehicle. The PCM is responsible for managing engine operations and various vehicle functions, making its proper functioning essential for vehicle reliability and efficiency. This slide serves as a gateway into understanding the details behind this DTC and the steps required for thorough troubleshooting. DTC P0563 is triggered when the Powertrain Control Module (PCM) recognizes an unexpected voltage while monitoring its power source circuit. The PCM is the central controller governing engine and transmission operations, located in the engine compartment of the Honda Accord. Its main role is to ensure optimal engine performance by interpreting various sensors' data and sending appropriate commands to the engine components. The key component relevant to this error is the PGM-FI main relay 1, which provides power to the fuel injection system and is integral in facilitating communication between the PCM and other vehicle systems. When the PCM remains active beyond the expected time frame after the vehicle switches to off mode, it records this fault as DTC P0563, indicating a potential electrical or wiring issue. Understanding these components and their functions is essential for effective troubleshooting. Several causes can lead to the triggering of DTC P0563, each related to the functionality of the PCM and its power source circuit. A primary cause is the existence of shorted wires, which can cause unexpected voltage levels. This could stem from damaged insulation or improper connections, leading to electrical faults. Additionally, a faulty PCM itself could be the source of the problem, indicating that an internal failure has occurred. Lastly, issues within the external circuit, such as incorrect voltage supplied to the PCM or problems with related relays, can lead to the abnormal signals detected by the PCM. Properly diagnosing these areas is crucial in determining the path forward in resolving the DTC. When DTC P0563 is present, several symptoms can manifest, indicating underlying electrical problems within the vehicle. The most immediate and common symptom is the illumination of the check engine light, alerting the driver to a diagnostic trouble code that requires attention. Additionally, drivers may notice engine performance issues such as stalling, misfiring, or noise stemming from improper communication between the PCM and engine components. Another potential symptom is battery drain, where the vehicle's electrical systems remain active longer than necessary due to PCM malfunction. These symptoms collectively highlight the importance of addressing DTC P0563 expediently to maintain vehicle performance and reliability. To begin troubleshooting DTC P0563, the first step involves turning the vehicle to the off-lock position, allowing the electrical systems to settle. After ensuring that the vehicle is completely powered down, the technician should wait at least 10 seconds. This wait time allows the PCM to reset any residual voltage readings it may have. Following this period, the technician will turn the ignition to the on position, initiating a new diagnostic reading sequence by the PCM. This step is critical as it helps in confirming whether the initial error code persists, providing a baseline for further diagnostic efforts. The PCM will evaluate the voltage levels again, and based on this, Subsequent steps can be determined as appropriate. The second step in the troubleshooting process involves performing a thorough test of the PGM-FI main relay 1, which is a crucial component in the fuel injection system and overall PCM operation. Technicians will follow the guidelines for testing this relay to ensure it is functioning correctly. The next task requires a meticulous inspection of the external circuit, specifically examining wiring and connections linked to the main relay. During this assessment, special attention should be paid to the FI main RLI out circuit to identify any signs of shorted wires. This step is imperative as it aims to determine if external factors contribute to the unexpected voltage signal detected by the PCM, setting the stage for deeper electrical diagnostics if needed. The third troubleshooting step centers on a comprehensive inspection of the PCM itself. If previous steps indicated that relay and external circuit conditions are nominal, attention shifts to the PCM to evaluate its overall health. Inspection involves checking for signs of damage, corrosion, or faulty connections at the PCM connector. In particular, technicians will be looking for grounding issues that could affect signal transmission. It's critical to confirm that all electrical signals are intact and that the PCM responds appropriately to external inputs. By validating the condition of the PCM and ensuring proper operation, technicians can ascertain whether the module itself is the source of the issue, leading to DTC P0563. After completing all necessary repairs and replacements, verifying the final repair is essential to ensure that DTC P0563 is resolved. The first step in this verification process is to clear the diagnostic trouble code using an appropriate scan tool. Clearing the DTC resets the system and allows for fresh diagnostic readings to be generated during the next phase. Following this, technicians should conduct a test drive of the vehicle, ensuring that various engine functions are executed as expected. It is during this test drive that any lingering issues might surface, allowing the technician to assess whether the DTC reoccurs. If all systems run smoothly without the reappearance of the fault, then one can conclude the repair efforts were successful. Preventive maintenance plays a pivotal role in avoiding the recurrence of DTC P0563 and its related issues. Regular inspections of wiring and electrical connections can reveal vulnerabilities such as wear or corrosion before they lead to significant problems. Technicians should also closely monitor battery voltage levels, ensuring that the output remains within the manufacturer's specifications to prevent undue stress on the PCM and related circuits. Additionally, periodic testing of relays, especially those connected to vital systems like fuel injection, can help identify potential failures in advance. Implementing these preventive measures creates a proactive approach to vehicle maintenance, significantly reducing the likelihood of electrical faults down the line. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0563 is pivotal for any technician working on the 2023 Plus Honda Accord. This error code reflects not only a technical failure, but also emphasizes the importance of the Powertrain Control Module in the overall vehicle function. The structured troubleshooting steps guide technicians through the identification and resolution of potential electrical issues, ensuring a methodical approach to vehicle repairs. Moreover, implementing preventive measures will help maintain system integrity, ultimately enhancing vehicle reliability. This comprehensive understanding lays the groundwork for successful diagnostics and efficient repairs, showcasing the critical relationship between the PCM and vehicle performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.